Hello guys, in this lecture we can show the next preparation method of preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compounds. Preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compounds. In this reaction, firstly we see what is meant by carbonyl. The carbonyl means the carbon which contains a double bonded oxygen, and on both sides of this carbon atom, any hydrogen or any alkyl groups, one alkyl group is also present and both two alkyl groups are also present. Then this is a carbonyl group. From this carbonyl group, this carbon is directly attached to the oxygen atom. Oxygen atom carries a lone pair, therefore this oxygen, it shows the electronegativity, therefore this oxygen attracts the shared pair of electron towards itself and it acquires the partial negative charge, and this carbon shows the partial positive charge. Okay, that means in this carbonyl group, the carbonyl carbon, it is a electron deficient carbon. Electron deficient carbon atom due to the oxygen shows the electronegativity. And in our organic chemistry, there are many functional groups are present containing a carbonyl group. Out of these, some functional groups are written here. First one is a RC double bond OH. This is a aldehyde. Second one is a RC double bond OR. Second one is a ketone. Third one is a RC double bond OH. It is a carboxylic acid. Next one is a RC double bond OR. It is a ester. Next one is a C double bond OCl. It is also known as a acyl chloride or acyl halide. Okay. Then another one is a amide. Okay. These are the some derivatives of carbonyl compound. These are the derivatives of carbonyl compounds. Okay, from these carbonyl compounds, the one alkyl groups is here and another valency of carbon is satisfied. From hydrogen atom there is a aldehyde. The hydrogen atom is replaced by any alkyl group, that is a ketone. This alkyl group is replaced by hydroxyl group, that is carboxylic acid. This hydroxyl group is replaced by alkoxide group, that is ester. This alkoxide group is replaced by any halogen, that is acyl halide. This halogen is replaced by amine, that is a amide. These are the some functional groups, and this functional group is a derivatives of carbonyl compounds because all these functional groups there is a presence of carbonyl group or carbonyl compounds. Okay. Then from this carbonyl compound we can prepare the alcohol. Okay. Firstly, we consider we explain the general reaction. Okay. In this general reaction, firstly we take the aldehyde. This is a aldehyde. Aldehyde get converted into alcohol, that is RCH2OH. On the basis of reactant and product, the bond between carbon and oxygen, it is a double bond, and double bond it is a stronger bond because the length of the double bonded carbon atom is goes on decreases, therefore bond enthalpy goes on increases. But out of this double bonded, the one bond, it is a pi bond, and pi bond is the weakest bond. Therefore, this bond is breakdown, and one hydrogen is attached here. One hydrogen is attached here. Another hydrogen is attached here. Okay. Then this is a RCH2OH. RCH2OH. Okay. The next one is a ketone, RC double bond OR. This is a ketone. This ketone is get converted into secondary alcohol, that is CHOH, then R. According to reactant and product, the carbonyl group contains carbon and oxygen atom. Out of these double bonded bond, the one bond, that is pi bond, is breakdown. Pi bond, it is a breakdown, and hydrogen is attached to this oxygen atom, and another hydrogen is attached to this carbon atom. There is two hydrogen atoms are added in the molecule. There is the formation of alcohol. Then another one is a carboxylic acid, C double bond OH. Carboxylic acid get converted into alcohol, RCH2OH. According to reactant and product, the pi bond, it should be breakdown. One hydrogen is shifted here, another hydrogen is shifted here. Okay. Then one hydrogen is also attached here, because there is a formation of water molecule, and another hydrogen is shifted here. That means the four hydrogens are required for formation of alcohol from carboxylic acid. Okay. From ester, RC double bond OR. Out of the carbonyl group, the pi bond is breakdown. The hydrogen is attached here, then another hydrogen is attached here. This hydroxide group is a living group, therefore hydrogen goes with alkoxide ion, and there is a formation of another molecule of alcohol, and another hydrogen is attached here, and there is a formation of alcohol, RCH, that is RCH2OH plus RH. Okay. Then we take acyl halide. From this acyl halide, the pi bond is breakdown in between carbon and oxygen atom. Then hydrogen is attached here. Then another hydrogen is attached here. Then this Cl, it is act as a base living group. Therefore, Cl, it should be eliminated in the form of Cl minus. And H plus is also required. There is one hydrogen is required to combine with Cl minus, and there is a formation of HCl, and another hydrogen is also required for this carbon atom. Then it forms a RCH2OH. There is a formation of alcohol. From the derivatives of carbonyl compounds, we can prepare the alcohol, but some reactions are written here. From this reaction, we can conclude that the aldehyde get converted into alcohol, is ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, acyl halide get converted into alcohol by the addition of hydrogen. That means the carbonyl compounds is converted into alcohol by the addition of hydrogen, and we know that this addition of hydrogen, and this reaction is known as a reduction reaction. Okay guys. That means the aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, acyl halide is all these carbonyl derivatives functional groups get converted into alcohol by using a reduction reaction. By using a reduction reaction. For this reduction reaction, we can take some reducing agents. Out of these reducing agents, first one is a lithium aluminium hydrate. Second one is a sodium borohydrate NaBH4. Or third one is a finely divided decay in presence of hydrogen, Pt with hydrogen or Pd with hydrogen. These reagents is explained or we will study in 11th standard. Then this is a one part of reagent and these two reagents are included in same part. Because the lithium aluminum hydride AlH4 or NaBH4, it donates the H minus ion. It donates the H minus ion. Okay. Therefore, these two reagents is known as a hydride donor. Hydride donor. Okay. First we will study the lithium aluminium hydride. Okay. In this reducing reagent, the lithium aluminium hydrate, okay, the lithium shows the positive charge and aluminium shows the negative charge. Okay, this is a structure of LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydrate. The lithium belongs to S log element, therefore it shows the positive charge, and aluminum also belongs from the P block element, but aluminum shows the +3 oxidation state. Because of the +3 oxidation state, the aluminum shows the 3 valencies with hydrogen atom. But one hydrogen is extra attached to aluminum. This hydrogen is in form of hydride. Therefore is in present in H minus ion. Is in H minus ion. Therefore, this H minus also shows the Al minus ion. Okay, this is a structure of lithium aluminum hydride, or this is a LiAlH4. Okay, by using this lithium aluminum hydride, we can prepare the carbonyl derivatives into alcohol. Okay, but out of these two hydride donors, that is the lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, out of these two hydride donors, the lithium aluminum hydride, it is act as the strongest reducing agent. Lithium aluminum hydride, it act as a strong reducing agent than sodium borohydrate, because the main reason is the size of lithium, okay, is size of, we consider the aluminum, it is the central metal atom. The size of aluminum is here, and in case of sodium borohydrate, the size of boron is smaller than aluminum. This is a Al, this is a boron. Then hydride is attached to this aluminum, and hydride is also attached to the boron atom. The size of hydride is smaller than aluminum than boron. Okay, the bond length of aluminum on hydride is a larger, or bond length is larger than sodium borohydrate. The bond length goes on increases, therefore bond strength goes on decreases, because of from the lithium aluminum hydride, the hydride is eliminated or it is available easily than sodium borohydride because of the bond length of lithium, aluminum and hydride. It is a greater than boron and hydride. The bond length goes on increases, the bond strength goes on decreases. Therefore, in this lithium aluminum hydride, the hydride is easily available for reduction reaction. Because of this reason, the lithium aluminum hydride, it is the strongest reducing agent, but it is expensive. Okay, this is a lithium aluminum hydride. Then main part of this lithium aluminum hydride, or the main function of lithium aluminum hydride is that the lithium aluminum hydride, it reduces the polar multiple bonds. It reduces polar multiple bonds. For example, you consider carbon double bond carbon. It reduces by using lithium aluminum hydride. Second example, nitrogen double bond oxygen. Third, carbon triple bond nitrogen. These polar multiple bonds are reduces. Okay. Then second important point of this lithium aluminum hydride is that it does not reduces non-polar multiple bonds. It does not reduces the non-polar multiple bonds in that the carbon double bond carbon, carbon triple bond carbon. Okay, these non-polar multiple bonds are not reduced from lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, then firstly we will consider the preparation of lithium aluminum hydride. The lithium aluminum hydride is prepared from the paste of lithium hydrate. Paste of lithium hydrate is in paste form. Is reacted with AlCl3, then it forms lithium aluminum hydrate. Then it forms a lithium aluminum hydrate plus LiCl. Then this reaction is balanced. There is a 4 hydrogens are here. Then there is a 3 LiCl which should be formed. Okay. The paste of lithium hydrate with AlCl3, then it forms lithium aluminum hydrate. Okay. Then lithium aluminum hydrate is formed. For the lithium aluminum hydrate, the solvent, that is, we consider the universal solvent water, which can't be used. Water does not use as a solvent in presence of lithium aluminum hydrate because the lithium and sodium is belongs in same block or same group in periodic table. Therefore, if the lithium or sodium, we will know when the sodium is reacted with water, then it is a exothermic reaction, explosive reaction. Similarly, the lithium is reacted with water, then it gives a explosive reaction, and therefore the solvent water is not used in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Therefore, as a solvent we can use the ether, as well as we can also use as a THF, that is tetrahydrofluoride. Okay, these are the solvents are used during the lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, then by using lithium aluminum hydride we can prepare the alcohol by using carbonyl compound. This is one of the carbonyl compound, it is an aldehyde. this aldehyde is reacted with lithium aluminum hydrate firstly. After that, it undergoes acid hydrolysis. We can write is also instead of HCl plus or dilute HCl or aqueous HCl or H plus or H2O. Okay, it is a acid in water and this is a lithium aluminum hydrate, and this lithium aluminum hydrate and solvent is a ether. Okay, by using this reaction, this aldehydic functional group get directly converted into alcohol. That means is directly converted into CH2OH group. That means there is a formation of RCH2OH. Okay. This is a reduction reaction of aldehyde. Okay. The mechanism of this reaction is RC double bond OH. This is the mechanism. Okay. The nature of carbonyl group in case of aldehyde, this carbonyl group is a electron deficient species. This carbonyl carbon, it is a electron deficient species, that is therefore this carbonyl carbon shows the partial positive charge and this oxygen shows the partial negative charge. Because the oxygen attracts a shared pair of electron towards itself. Then lithium aluminum hydride, it donates the H minus ion. Therefore, this H minus ion attacks on the carbonyl carbon. At that same time, the pi bond is delocalized on the oxygen atom. Then it forms the RCO minus H and H. Okay. This hydride is coming from the lithium aluminum. Okay. Then there is a formation of this molecule. After formation of this molecule, it undergoes acid hydrolysis. That means the H plus atom is present here. Therefore, this oxygen atom attacks on the H plus ion. There is a formation of CH2, and this is a H. This is a mechanism of carbonyl compound is converted into O. Okay, guys. Then this mechanism is commonly shown in all types of functional groups. Okay. Then this is a aldehyde. Then mechanism is also written in your notebook. Okay. After that, we consider the ketone. The ketone is reacted with lithium in presence of ether, and secondly, it undergoes acid hydrolysis. There is a formation of, and this doubly bonded carbon atom is get converted into C double bond O, get converted into CH-OH. That means this CH-OH instead of C double bond O, that means the product is RCH-OH, then R. Okay. The main point, this is a trick. This is a trick to remember that the carbonyl group get converted into alcohol. That means the C double bond O functional group get converted into CH-OH. Okay. Then another example is, we consider the carboxylic acid. There is a C double bond OH. Okay. It's reacted with lithium aluminum hydrate in presence of ether, as well as it undergoes acid hydrolysis. Then it forms the RCH. Then CH2OH plus H2O. Then gives CH2OH CH2. Okay. Then next one is a ester. It is RC double bond OOR. It undergoes the reduction reaction by using lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether, and it also followed by, or it undergoes acid hydrolysis. Then it forms, this group is get converted into CH2OH. This group get converted into CH2OH. Okay, sorry, CH2. The carbonyl group get converted into CH2OH. That means the RCH2OH is formed, and this one hydrogen it is combined with again alkoxide group, and there is a formation of ROH. The mechanism of this all derivatives is similar with aldehyde. Okay. After that, we consider acyl halide. We consider acyl halide, that is RC double bond. Cl is reacted with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether. It undergoes acid hydrolysis, then it forms this C double bond O group get converted into CH2OH. That means the CH2OH, that is alcohol is formed, and one hydrogen is also combined with Cl minus. There is a formation of Cl. Okay, these are some derivatives of carbonyl compounds, and it undergoes reduction reaction by using lithium aluminum hydride followed by acid hydrolysis, then it is converted into alcohol.